This is just a short video about a project I've just completed where I've connected a smart switch which connects to the cloud by Wi-Fi through to a web server for control. So the project basically controls this ozone generator, which I want to be able to control more precisely. So the control allows me to set the duty cycle of operation for the ozone generator, which is pretty simple. This is what the final product looks like. I've got details in the description for the code that is running here. It's a PHP web page which connects to a Python script running on a Linux web server. So the web page will give feedback when it's successfully updated any of the settings. Also, you can control the start and the stop of the operation manually using the buttons.